Hi Jason, my name is Rishi Goyal and today I'm going to discuss that why choosing Better Carter for your food truck is going to be beneficial for you. At first, I would like to introduce myself in a better way. My name is Rishi Goyal and I am the Senior Marketing Manager at the Better Carter. Recently, we heard that your company was facing some several issues with the managing and delivery of your food items. So I would like to just discuss about the several functions that Better Carter provides and which will help in the better running of your company. We are going to evaluate Better Carter based on eight of these criteria. And at the beginning, we are going to start with record purchases of ingredients. Better Carter really helps in the record purchases of ingredients. Purchasing ingredients can be recorded easily with Better Carter, which helps with inventory control and cost monitoring. So, as in the given video, we see that there are like 100 entries, and to begin with, we have purchased apple, and the purchase price for the apple is $3, and the quantity is one. So, by that means we can easily see that how we can manage the purchase price and the quantity of each and every ingredient that we need to buy or we need to purchase for the smooth functioning of the cart. We are going to discuss the categorize ingredients by type. Ingredients can be categorized by type by users, guaranteeing effective inventory management. So over here, we can see that how for a particular item that is bruschetta chicken, we have specified the ingredients that is vinegar, honey, garlic powder, olive, and many more. By this, we can easily manage the inventory so that we know at the moment that which ingredients are needed for making a particular dish. Carter also helps in building recipes and recording calories. Creating recipes and keeping track of calories is made easier with Better Carter, allowing for precise menu and planning nutritional analysis. So over here we can see that how directions have been given to the cook for making a particular dish that is given in the picture, that is bruschetta chicken that we discussed previously in the previous slide. And bruschetta chicken, we have also given the description that what it exactly is, that bruschetta chicken is a delicious low carb meat dish. Fresh vegetables are used in that and garlic is also used, and with this we can specify what kind of things are used or ingredients are used in making a particular dish along with giving the directions to make it. Carta also helps in recording recipe sales. Better Carta makes it simple to track recipe sales, giving you valuable information about popular menu items and income production. So in the given picture, we can see that there are many food items like bruschetta chicken, chicken cutlet, chicken parmesan, grilled salmon, and along with them, the category is also mentioned for particular each item, that is side dish, main dish again, and also the quantity is mentioned along with that. And it also says the sales price, which makes it pretty easy for the customers to choose between the food items by making their budget. Bettercarter also helps in scheduling food delivery appointments. Bettercarter is not specialized in this thing, but we can easily make it work with some modifications in the application. As in the given picture, we see that for a particular order, we have mentioned the contact details of the customer along with their address, contact number, so that we can easily deliver the food items to their address on particular given time. Talking about the affordability, Bettercat Tray is pretty cheap if we compare all the other softwares to manage. It is only $57 if we just like pay yearly, and annually it's just $10 extra, that is $69. And even if we need to add another user to our account, there is only $25 extra charges, and there is an also 30 days risk-free trial. So I think that is pretty good in order to afford for any business. About the operating system compatibility, Bettercutter is a web-based platform, so it doesn't really need any kind of high-end specification computers or phones, and it can be easily used anywhere from the world if you just have a simple laptop or computer and an internet connection. And the same with the hardware, it can be used on any kind of computer. So we can say that it doesn't need any kind of high-end specifications in terms of computer or laptop. It can be like used on any kind of computer. So yeah, it is pretty easy to use. Going to take example of a client named George who would like to order a few food items from your food cart. To complete the order, he needs a few details regarding creating new order, paying for it, and method to add the shipping details. In order to ease the whole process, we come up with following diagrams that can help him in order to understand the whole process of making the payment, adding the food items, and also with the shipping details. To explain the whole process by using the software analysis. So over here, I just took some class diagrams. I made the location, the customer, payment, ingredient, and menu item, and I used different attributes for that. The first user case is when the customer wants to place an order, and over here the actor is the customer, and the precondition is the customer has opened the company website or mobile app to place an order. Order is added to cart, ready to be placed, and the system obviously it needs to display the menu first so that we can choose any kind of menu item, and the item is selected and it is added to cart, and the person or the customer we are talking about keeps on adding the things to the cart unless and until he wants to save those items and order something from the cart. Class diagram of what we discussed, and it is here from the beginning. Add new order, get menu, list of menu items, add item to cart, and over here we used a loop so that the customer can continuously add items to cart unless or until he wants to place the final order, and here the cart is saved. The cases of to add the payment details. The first one is request to add a payment, displays the payment method such as debit, credit card. Payment method selected, verify the payment method and prompts for card number, expiry date and security code. Details saved, verify the details and process the transaction. It is pretty forward thing to be done. It's going to be the sequence diagram of adding a payment method, and this is also the same as to select the menu items. So yeah, this is it. We have the option to add the customer. So here the sales associate is logged into the system. Customer details are successfully added to the system. Request to add a customer, prompts for adding details like name, address, contact number, email, and company. Fill the required details. Verify the customer details, details saved, details saved. That is going to be pretty straightforward thing when the customer needs to enter his own details or make an account so that the sales associate can help him with that. This is going to be the sequence diagram of adding a customer. At last, I would like to use an example of the user case for delivering of the food. The preconditions are that the food order has been prepared and marked as ready for deliver. Post conditions, the order food is successfully delivered to the customer at the specified location and the delivery is confirmed. So act a request to add the location, system prompts for location name, address, special notes, and as usual, the customer is acted here, enters the location name and verifies the location, and system processes for the delivery. The sequence diagram for the last user case that we took example of, that was adding a location for the delivery of the food. To sum up, Betterkata shows promise as a management tool for food trucks and catering enterprises. Its extensive ingredient tracking, recipe management, and sales recording functions are very beneficial for optimizing productivity and streamlining processes. To make sure it fits your wants and budget, it is advised to look into its cost and customizations option more. So thank you, Jason, for giving it a time. And I would say that it is going to be a pretty good option for your food cart, for your business. And I think you should really take a look into it. And that's all. Thank you so much, Jason, for giving your time.